Alright, today we're going to take a quick look at this guitar stand and stool. The company did send it over and compensate me to make this video, so let's go ahead and take a look at it. So this is it holding my guitar. Super nice stool. It's got a nice backrest on there, but it's kind of cool because you pull out the top portion that holds the neck of your guitar. You just unscrew it and kind of pull it out, which I'll show you how to push it in just a second. And then you just flip down the bottom there to put the base of your guitar on, and it's got nice little rubber feet and everything to keep this stool from slipping. It's weighted properly. I have a Taylor 214 CE on there just for reference, and there is a screw underneath here that I am loosening up. You just have to loosen it up more than what I did obviously there, and then just kind of tuck in this neck holder portion of the guitar stand. In best case scenario is to leave the base that I just flipped up, to leave that down. As you can see here, I reach back down and put that back in the downward position so I can put my foot on that stool portion there and have a little footrest. So there you go. This is kind of what it looks like playing it, and then I set my guitar down here, and there's with nothing on it. That's what it looks like there. And then you can fold this up. So this is pretty easy. I'm going to fast forward just a little bit because there is a bolt right here that you can put in. Now it does have a pin on the other side, like a quick release pin, but you can also put this bolt in there as well if you want to. It's not necessary, but I put it in there, and then the quick release pin, and then you can just fold it right up. There you go, and that's what it looks like folded up, and you can carry that wherever you need to, store it easier, all those fun things, and just fold it right back out that way. So if you're looking for a really nice guitar stool, that might be the one for you. Hope this video helps.